Ginger water, the healthiest drink to burn all the fat from the waist, back and thighs. You want to lose weight but you don't know what are you supposed to do? Don't worry because we have the right solution for you. Today, we have a natural ginger remedy that will burn the fat from your waist, back and thighs. This healthy drink will provide amazing results. Ginger water has a long list of health benefits. Besides burning the excess fat and helping you lose weight, this powerful drink will fight other health problems. So, let's find out more about the benefits that this drink offers. Health benefits of ginger water. 1. Regulates cholesterol. Ginger water fights high cholesterol levels in the body, which in turn prevents many problems associated with this disease. 2. Hypertension. This incredible drink has the ability to keep your blood pressure in check and prevent the formation of blood clots in the arteries. 3. Powerful natural anti-inflammatory. Ginger water treats inflammation, joint problems, and diseases such as osteoarthritis and rheumatism. 4. Powerful antioxidant. It fights free radicals, which are the main cause of cancer. 5. Anti-cancer agent. Ginger water offers strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This drink is one of the best natural remedies when it comes to preventing cancer. How to prepare ginger water. Needed ingredients. Few thin slices of ginger root. 5 liters of water. Lemon juice, optional. Directions. Boil the water and add the ginger slices. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool. Strain it and add the lemon juice. Consume this drink every day before your breakfast and before your dinner. Other benefits of ginger. 6. Improves blood circulation. Ginger is packed with magnesium and zinc, both of which can improve blood circulation. Additionally, ginger has properties that can prevent the accumulation of bad cholesterol in the liver, thus preventing different cardiovascular problems. Do not forget to mention that ginger is beneficial for reducing fever and excessive sweating problems. 7. Improves nutrient absorption. The consumption of ginger ensures a better absorption of important nutrients in the organism. Its effectiveness is due to the ability to simulate stomach secretion and pancreatic enzymes. Chewing a little ginger before meals can stimulate appetite. 8. Prevents colds and flu. Ginger possesses potent antibiotic and expectorant properties that can treat cold and flu problems. For centuries, ginger root has been used in Asia as a natural remedy against the flu, colds, and cough. It has been scientifically shown that ginger tea effectively reduces the symptoms of colds and the flu. 9. Improves digestion. Besides improving the absorption of nutrients in the body, ginger can relieve the abdominal pains that occur as a result of inflammation in the stomach. Furthermore, it can prevent and fight constipation, improve digestion, and reduce intestinal gas. 10. Strengthens the immune system. The regular consumption of ginger will boost your immune system and keep the body's defenses against possible infections, chronic diseases, flu, coughs, and colds. Also, ginger has the ability to reduce your risk of a stroke and is very beneficial against intestinal bacterial infections. 11. Relieves joint pain. Due to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can reduce pain, joint inflammation, and other related ailments.